Once again, we are starting journal entry of chapter number 7, dissolution of partnership form. Now see friends, you can see on your screen, आप सब अपनी screen पे देख सकते हो. Here there are four questions. Four questions are given, and now we are solving journal entry of these four questions. Right? You can see the first one. सबसे first question आप read करो friends. आप सबको अपनी screen पे दिख रहा होगा. Very first question. Book value of machine is rupees 50,000. Book value of machine is rupees 50,000, which is takeover by partner Darshan for rupees 55,000. Once again, I am repeating this question. Book value of machine rupees 50,000, which is taken over by partner Darshan for rupees 55,000. Yes or no? Now see friends, in this sum, what is the book value of machine? Machine की book value कितनी है friends? Book value of machine is 50,000. Machine की book value 50,000 है. First of all, we will close this machine account and transfer to debit side of realization account. सबसे पहले हम machine account को close करके friends कहाँ transfer करेंगे? Realization के debit side में. So first entry क्या होगी? Realization account debit to machine account credit, and the amount is 50,000. Yes or no? You know very well friends, machine it's a fixed assets. As it is a fixed assets, asset has always debit balance, right? Assets has always debit balance. So when we close a debit balance, जब भी हम किसी debit balance को close करेंगे, so it should be credited itself. And now this machine, this will be transferred to which account? So it is transferred to realization account. So that's why realization account will be debit and machine account will be credit, and the amount is 50,000. 50,000. Clear with this? Okay. After this machine is taken by partner Darshan for rupees 55,000. इस मशीन को एक पार्टनर ले करके जा रहा है. विवेक श्यामल કરીને એક છોકરો છે, એની રિક્વેસ્ટ એક્સેપ્ટ કરે 55,000, right? And the name of partner is Darshan. Darshan will take this machine at rupees 55,000. Darshan इस machine को कितने प्राइस पे ले करके जा रहा है friends? 55,000 पे. Please share the answer of this question. इसका आंसर शेयर करो प्लीज.
Sir, answer?
हाँ.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
You can see friends, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे the very realization account debit to machine account credit 50,000. This is the first entry. Second one is Darshan's capital or current account debit to realization account credit 55,000. This is the second entry. Friends, Darshan is one of the partner. He will take this machine at rupees 55,000 from this partnership firm. So your entry is Darshan's capital account debit to realization account credit rupees 55,000. This is the second entry, friends. Yes or no? I hope everyone will get this question.
Yes, sir.
ये इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन मैंने होमवर्क में दिया था फ्रेंड्स आप सब.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Now please share the next question. Bimal has accepted to pay bills payable of rupees 15,000. Bimal is one of the partner, right? And he has accepted to pay bills payable of rupees 15,000. See, basically I told you, generally liability of the partnership firm, it is paid by partnership firm itself. But sometimes what happen, some of the partners, they accept a liability of the partnership firm on behalf of their firm, right? कभी कभार क्या होता है कि पार्टनर्स अपने फर्म के बिहाफ पे थोड़ी बहुत लायबिलिटीज फर्म की एक्सेप्ट करते हैं. So same situation will be here. One of the partner, Bimal, he has accepted to pay bills payable of rupees 15,000.
Yes, sir.
Actually, it's a liability of the firm, but firm की liability को Bimal ने accept किया. Yes or no? So friends, what would be the journal entry of this transaction? Please share the question. Please share the answer. Hi friends, bills payable, it's a liability. I hope आप सबको इतना तो पता ही होगा. Bills payable, it is an example of current liability. It's an example of liability. So when we close any liabilities account, जब भी हम किसी liability account को close करेंगे friends, so generally liability has credit balance. Liability का credit balance होता है, but जब हम इसको close करेंगे, so it should be debited. When we close liability account, so liability will be debited and realization account will be credited. So your journal entry is bills payable account debit, right? Bills payable account debit to realization account credit, and the amount is 15,000. 15,000. Clear or not?
Yes,
Once
sir.
again, I'm repeating this solution. Friends,
Sir.
is 15,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, now who accept to pay this liability? Bimal. Bimal, he has accepted to pay this bills payable of rupees 15,000. Bimal is 15,000 को pay करेगा. That means firm के behalf पे ये जो liability है, ये कौन bear करेगा? Bimal bear करेगा, right? So what would be the next journal entry? Now next entry is realization account debit to Bimal's capital account credit. Amount is 15,000. Yes or no? Your second portion, your second entry is realization account debit to Bimal's capital account credit, and the amount is 15,000. 15,000. Yes or no? This is the second entry friends. Now see friends, आप सबको ऐसा माइंड में होगा कि सर बीमल का कैपिटल क्रेडिट क्यों हुआ? See friends, बीमल का कैपिटल क्रेडिट इसलिए हुआ because बीमल he has the giver. Bimal, he has paid the amount of bills payable, right? That's why Bimal's capital or current account will be credited, because as per the rule of personal account, as per the rule of personal account, credit the benefit giver. So here in this question, Bimal is the benefit giver, and that's why his account will be credited. Yes or no? I hope it is clear to all of you. Third question. Past bad debt was written off rupees 11,000, out of which rupees 6,000 are recovered. Now, one of the most important journal entry, this journal entry, it has to be asked in the last board exam. ये जो journal entry है ये last year पूछा गया था friends, right? So please pay attention over here and listen to me very carefully. Past bad debt was written off rupees 11,000, out of which rupees 6,000 are recovered. Now friends, what do you mean by bad debt? I have already explained this sentence in 11th standard. Bad debt means what? Please listen to me very carefully. It's a very important transaction. Friends, bad debt का मतलब क्या होता है? See, bad debt means an amount which cannot be recovered. An amount which cannot be recovered from the customer. Such amount is known as bad debt. Bad debt. Yes or no? This amount is known as bad debt. An amount which cannot be recovered from the customer, such amount is known as bad debt. And one more thing I want to tell you friends, Bad debt, it's a loss of the business. Bad debt ये business का क्या है? Loss है. It's a actual loss of the business. So now this bad debt will be closed and it will be transferred to realization account. Right? अब जैसा कि मैंने आपको अभी कहा, bad debt it's a loss of the business. So but obvious, अगर ये loss है, so loss का हमेशा कैसा balance होगा? Loss has always debit balance. Yes or no? 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आप लोगों ने सीखा होगा फ्रेंड्स, एक्सपेंस एंड लॉस. Expense and loss, these are the two things which has a debit balance. Yes or no? So now we will close this bad debt account and this will be transferred to debit side of realization account. Clear? You can see here the amount of bad debt. You can see on answer. See, please एक step आगे कुछ.
सर मीटिंग 10 मिनट चालू होगी थी.
Okay, no issue with that. Okay, हमारा bad debt कितना था? 11,000. Yes or no? Out of 11,000 हमने कितना पैसा रिकवर किया? Past bad debt was 11,000. Out of 11,000 in current year, how much amount we are going to recover? We are going to recover 6,000 rupees. हमें 6,000 rupees इस साल recover हुआ. So what will be the journal entry, friends? Cash and bank account debit to realization account will be credit and the amount is 6,000. You can see on your screen, out of 11,000, that was the past bad debt. जो 11,000 था, that was the past bad debt. Past bad debt means that was the amount of the last year. So out of 11,000 in the current year, we are going to recover 6,000 rupees. So this is called bad debt recover. यानी last year जो हमारा loss था, उसमें से 6,000 rupees हमने current year में recover किया. So that is our income. Yes or no? So firm will receive this income through cash or bank. That's why cash and bank account will be debit. Okay? And realization account will be credit. See friends, why realization credit? So realization account will be credit because it's the income of the business, right? जो last year पैसा loss में था, वो पैसा current year में हम recover कर रहे हैं. So that is what? That is our income. Okay. So cash and bank account debit and realization account credit, right? So bad debt की entry नहीं होगी Janvi because that was the past bad debt. I was just explaining about this. मैं आपको सिर्फ explain कर रहा था कि last year ये entry हुई होगी, right? 11,000 की entry हम pass नहीं करेंगे because it was an amount of last year. और current year की books of account में हम last year की entry record नहीं कर सकते. Is that clear? Okay. Now please share the next question. Please share the next question. You can see question number 4. Book value of sundry assets rupees 2,70,000 and realized 2,27,000. Now please pay attention. Your book value of sundry assets. आप सबको पता होगा दोस्तों sundry का मतलब क्या होता है. जब भी कोई assets bulk में होता है, whenever 2 or more than 2 assets are given, when the value of more than 2 assets are given, it is called sundry assets. Yes or no? Here the book value of sundry assets is 2,70,000 and realized rupees 2,27,000. जो भी नए मेंबर इस ग्रुप में ऐड हुए हैं, मैं उनको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर दूं. फ्रेंड्स, रियलाइज का मतलब क्या होता है? स्पेशली इन अकाउंटेंसी, मीनिंग ऑफ रियलाइज का मतलब कैश रिसीव करना. जब भी हम किसी एसेट्स को सेल करेंगे तो जो भी अमाउंट हमें मिलेगा, जो भी अमाउंट हम रिसीव करेंगे, दिस अमाउंट इज नोन एज रियलाइज्ड, राइट? टू कन्वर्ट एसेट्स इनटू कैश, किसी भी एसेट्स को कैश में कन्वर्ट करना, such procedure is known as realization. Yes or no? Now see, first of all we will close sundry assets account and it will be transferred to debit side of realization. As you know friends, asset has debit balance. Okay, so when we close assets account, assets, it has a debit balance. So when we close this assets, it should be automatically credited and realization account will be debited. So your first journal entry is, please share the answer of this question. You can see, friends, you can see the answer: realization account debit to sundry assets account credit, and the amount is